Hey everyone. So the other day I had a thought about all the small businesses who are not able to open their physical stores at the moment because of the movement restriction order. And their customers are probably searching online, wondering whether they're open, whether they take orders, do deliveries. And in response, I've seen businesses do quite creative things with their social media, even WhatsApp. But I was thinking, how difficult or how easy would it be for a business to get up an online store? A place where you can just link to from your social media and your customers can go there, even find it on a search, look through your product catalog, place their orders, even process the payment, and then you go ahead and do the deliveries and whatever else that you want to do from that website. So I went and looked for a couple of solutions just to see what was out there, and I found one that I thought was pretty decent because of a few reasons. Number one, the most basic package is about 50 ringgit or plus a month. And number two, they provide a lot of payment options for the customer. And number three, their themes are decent in the sense that if you don't want to do too much with it, out of the gate, it looks acceptable for most businesses, I would feel. And number four, that it is quite easy to use. And so, in the next 5 minutes, what I'm going to do is a short demo, just me setting up a fake site and using some of their most basic features and to get a store online. And so I did this in 2 hours or less. Just gives you an idea of what you may need to do if you want to create your own online store. And so I hope you find this helpful. So the solution is by this Malaysian company called Easy Store, and I'm going to use their 14-day trial to set up an online store that sells lights. Now, once you create your store, you will be given a quick tour on the major areas within a place to manage your orders, customers, products, marketing, information, analytics as well. So most of these sections are pretty self-explanatory. You can go through that and it explains. They also have a tutorial video that's provided. So let's go ahead now and create some products. You want to utilize the tags when you create products so that's easily searchable for your customers. And just a reminder, all these products are fake. I just randomly Googled them, and so the information I'm going to put in there is completely fake. In fact, some of the things I don't know what to fill, things like inventory, shipping stuff. I'm sure actual business owners would know what to do. So I did this a few times and added a few products in. Let's go ahead now and play around with the look and feel of the site. It comes with a default theme called Wave, which looks decent enough. They've pre-created some pages for you, a catalog page, a blog, and a store locator. And so this is what it looks like straight out of the box. If you want to change the default theme, you can go ahead and do that as well. I think there are 30 different themes. And so I'm just going to pick a different one and make some changes from there. But just don't judge me, okay? My design sense is really horrible. So I've selected a theme. It's called Electron, but I'm going to simplify it some more by removing some of these pages like the blog and the store locator. The place to do that is from navigation, and I'm just going to delete them from navigation so they don't appear. Okay, now that's done, let's have a look at the site. Not bad. Let's also change that opening description. The place to do that is to go to the pages now, and when you select the page, you'll be brought into a word editor and you can change the description there. In addition to the description, I thought it'd be nice also to add a link to our contact page. And so I'm just going to put that in there and save it. And now when we refresh the page, our new description and link is there. Let's go ahead and test out that contact form. It comes by default, and this is pretty handy. Actually, this contact form is handled by an app, a third-party app, which you may have noticed at the very start. There is a section in the dashboard which allows you to do this. This form is set up, and when this form is submitted, it goes straight to your email, which you provide in the settings. Now let's look at the payment options available. By default, they've already added a bank transfer method, which is basically instructions for a bank transfer. But they also have a lot of other payment options. They have a Maybank to you, they have FavePay, GrabPay, they even have Boost. So that's going to be very helpful for a lot of Malaysian vendors. So let's see what the order process is like. Now you may notice also that I happen to have changed the logo and the banner. Just did a simple one. You can customize that as well. And right now we're going to check it out. Right now there is only one delivery method, which is shipping, but I believe you can add some more in the settings within the dashboard. So I'm just going to put in some details for the shipping address and then click continue to confirm the purchase of this particular item. So the bank transfer information is given here, and once the order is placed, the customer will be asked to verify their payment. Now the customer will also get an email once the order is through, and in fact you as a seller will also get an order notification. Finally, you can manage all your orders from within the dashboard. For whatever reason, you may want to mark it as paid or fulfilled, even cancel the order. So you can do all of that inside the dashboard. Well, that's it guys. A very, very brief and quick look at the basic features within Easy Store. Obviously, I didn't get to show you a whole lot of other things because of time, but I really wanted to make this video short and to the point. It is worth mentioning though that there is an app integration feature that allows you to do things like link your online store with your Instagram account and pull in images from there. Or you could add a subscriber form that allows your customers to sign up to your newsletter for updates. So try it out. You can do what I do, just search for Easy Store, sign up for the 14-day trial, and play around with all these features. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Do let me know if it has helped you in any way, whether you want more videos of this kind, or if you've got any questions, you can put them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Have a great day guys, and God bless.